tryna let the plan go. I gotta ride on me. I gotta make it back to my family. And I can't let nobody cross me. I know exactly what it costs me. Same as the cousin of death, so I go over time. I feel like I'm getting rich or die trying. Gotta take a risk. That's why I put it on the lines. Money and interest. That shit should have come in mine. I be in the basement. Separated every time. I remember this. When it was a million. You can never walk if you try to. Stay on fire.
My name is Yadwinder Singh. I'm from Punjab, India. My fight record is 6-2 and I'm fighting out of Punnya Sai. My last fight was in 2018. Then I was training. Then again COVID came in and four to five times I got injured before my fight. So now I'm coming back. I'm ready. I'm training for this almost like 6 years now. So I know I'm going to win this one. So I will come back. Hey Punnya, I heard a lot about you. You're a good striker, and they also say BJJ. So I always ready for. I'm a male fighter, right? We have to ready for everything. I'm ready for anything. Let's get on. Canggu fight night. Get ready. This is going to be crazy.
Introducing our second fighter, Yadwinder Singh. Fighting out of the red corner, representing Punjab, India, and Team Punnya Sai. Make some noise for Yadwinder Singh. And the referee for this round, Mr. Jim. Thank you.
Gentlemen, we're going to the rules. Protect yourself at all times. They mark your hands at all times. Touch gloves. Step back and score.
Let's go!